Today we're taking a look at the 2020 Mitsubishi RVR SE in the gray. This vehicle has 148 horsepower, 140 foot-pounds, 145 foot-pounds of torque, coming out of a CVT transmission. Let's take a look inside. Now that we're inside the RVR, you do get your power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. You also do get your one-touch up and down driver side window. Taking a look at the mirror here, you do get your blind spot monitoring in the top left corner. You can change the blind spot monitoring and turn it off with the control down here on the left side of the steering wheel. Moving up to the left side of the steering wheel, you do get your multimedia controls, your volume up, down, seek, also answer your phone call, hang up, and also use your voice command. Moving to the right side of the steering wheel, you do get your cruise control. As you can see, this vehicle does only have 5,000 kilometers on it. To change this screen, there is an info button down there on the left. You can tap through and change what you want to see on the screen. Moving over to the infotainment, this does come with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, as well as Sirius XM. You do have a USB for your multimedia. You have your AM, FM, USB video as well. Throughout the screen here, you can connect your phone, as well as go through settings to change some settings, and then through the info screen here, you can update the versions. Moving on to the climate control, you do get your auto climate control, air conditioning, as well as your heated seats, and for your driver and passenger, as well as your 2 USB ports and your traction control and a 12-volt outlet down there as well. Also, you do have a little storage container right in front of the four-wheel drive lock button. Moving down to the driver controls. As you put it into reverse, you do get a nice, big, wide-angle backup camera with guidance lines, as well as your drive, sport, and low mode for whatever terrain you are in, or if you want to speed up a little bit faster on the highway. You get 2 cup holders and your handbrake there. Moving into the center console, you do get a little compartment here, and also a deep glove compartment here as well with a 12-volt power outlet. Let's go take a look at the outside of the vehicle. At the rim here, you get a 16-inch Mitsubishi chrome alloy wheel on Yokohama all-season tires that are basically brand new, only 5,000 kilometers on them. Looking at the mirror, you do get your turn signal indicator. Moving to the back of the vehicle here, you can see a nice sporty tail lights. As we open the hatch here, you can see you get a lot of space in the rear hatch. It is a 60-40 split that can fold down with the push of a button. Fold them down, and it's a nice flat surface. Taking a look under here, you do get your spare tire as well. And you also get 2 side compartments on each side of the vehicle. Let's go take a look at the back seat. Now that we're entering the back seat, you do get your window controls on the door panel, as well as you do get a lot of leg room in the back of this RVR. Fit 5 people comfortably, 4 people more comfortably. You get the nice black stitched leather with design on it. In the center seat, you do get an armrest and 2 cup holders with height adjustable headrests as well. Thanks for watching this quick overview of our Mitsubishi RVR SE. This is part of our hail damage sale, so you are going to get huge discounts on this vehicle. If you'd like to know more information about the RVR, please visit parkmazda.ca. At that time, you can book for a test drive and get 25 air miles reward miles. Have a good day.